Imagine driving through the streets in a sleek, modern vehicle that not only turns heads but also embraces the future of automotive technology. Meet the latest evolution from Ford, a car that promises to redefine the driving experience while paying homage to its iconic roots. Before we dive into all the exciting details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us bring you the latest updates on the cars you love. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new Ford Puma, a car born in Craiova, Romania, that carries the legacy of the beloved Fiesta Super Mini. With the Fiesta now retired, the Puma steps up as its spiritual successor, continuing Ford's tradition of delivering fun, compact vehicles. But there's more. This isn't just any Puma. Ford is gearing up to launch a fully electric version that's set to make waves in the automotive world. The most noticeable? A closed-off grille, signaling its electric heart. And of course, there's no exhaust. Just a sleek, clean rear end with a charging port discreetly positioned on the left rear fender. While the bumpers and wheels look familiar for now, expect exclusive designs when the final version rolls out. Ford has kept the interior updates under wraps, but we have a few clues. The dashboard was hidden from view, suggesting something big is coming. Rumor has it that the Puma EV will borrow the large dual displays from the e-Tornio Custom, offering a cutting-edge cockpit experience. As for the power under the hood, we're likely looking at a single motor delivering 134 horsepower, slightly less than its key rival, the Peugeot E-2008. So, when can we expect this electrifying new Puma to hit the roads? While Ford hasn't confirmed the exact date, all signs point to a reveal in the first half of next year. The countdown to the grand unveiling has begun, and production is set to take place at the same factory in Craiova where the traditional Puma models are made. This upcoming Ford Puma EV is more than just a car. It's a glimpse into the future of driving, blending innovation with the spirit of a legend. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its debut, and be sure to keep an eye out for that closed-off grille. It's a sign of what's to come. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.